friends. Today we are having the pedagogy quiz that's required and important for the teaching exam. So the first question is based on National Curriculum 2005, writes its understanding from cognitive theories, humanism, behaviorism, or constructivism. So the correct answer is NCF 2005 is completely based on constructivism. Next, which of the following skills are known as primary skill? Option A, listening and speaking. Option B, listening and writing. Option C, speaking and writing. Option D, writing and reading. So the primary skill we known as a listening and speaking. So the first A is the right answer. Next, children acquire general rules taught all of the following except option A tutoring, option B media, option C socialization, option D culture. So children acquire general rules through all of the following, not by the tutoring. Option A is the right answer. Next, a giftedness in children can be attributed to discipline, routine, a resource rich environment, an interplay between heredity and environment, successful parents. So, giftedness in children can be attributed to an interplay between heredity and environment. Option C is the right answer. A motor speech disorder that affects feet is called option A apraxia, option B aphasia, option C dysphonia, option D word phobia. So a motor speech disorder that affect feet it is called option A apraxia. Next, the smallest unit of a meaning in the language is option A syntax, option B morpheme, option C phoneme, option D pragmatics. So the small unit in a language that's called option B morpheme. Option B is the right answer. Next, the lab schools advocate by John Dewey were examples of factory schools, progressive schools, public schools, common school. So John Dewey advocates about the lab of a school that kind of progressive schools. Option B is the right answer. Next, between month of age, most children between to combine words into short sentences while speaking. That's 18 to 24, 24 to 30, 30 to 36, 12 to 18 months. So between 18 to 24 months of age, most children begin to combine words into short sentences while they speaking. Next. So the right answer is option A. Next. Which of the following is not part of peer tutoring teaching strategy? Option A explaining, option B lecturing, option C reinforcing, option D modeling. So which is a not part of peer tutoring teaching strategy? It calls of option B, that's lecturing. Next, a core teaching skill is demonstrating, performing, instructing, illustrating. So a core teaching skill is completely based on option number C, that's instructing. Next, which one of the following is an emotion? Option A memory, option B stimulus, option C attention, option D fear. So the emotion is option D, that's fear. Next, Lexical cohesion devices are option A vocabulary, option B punctuation, option C structure, option D word phrase used for connecting ideas. So you will have to give me the answer in a comment. Going for the next. The sequence of writing process would be in the following order. Option A planning, monitoring, reviewing. Option B planning, translating, reviewing. Option C reviewing, monitoring, translating. Option D planning, reviewing, monitoring. So the sequence of writing process would be in the following, like first we planned, then monitor, then review. So option A is the right answer. Next. A student response management required the teacher to prompt, illustrate, reinforce, remediate. So a student response management always required the teacher to remediate. Option D is the right answer. Next one. So this is the last question for this session. While reading one of these, help student understand relation between different parts. It calls adverb, pronoun, proper noun, phrasal verb. So the right answer about while reading one of these help student understand relation between different parts. It calls phrasal verb. Option D is the right answer. So join and subscribe our channel and answer the question number 12.